In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG to Redmi Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to set up any OTG drive or OTG device and connect it to your Redmi Mobile. To connect an OTG drive to your phone, you will need the proper adapter. So if your Redmi phone has a USB-C port, you will need the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Alternatively, if it has a micro USB port, then you will have to purchase a micro USB to USB adapter. Most modern phones will have a USB-C charging port, so purchase the corresponding adapter according to yours. Once you plug the USB-C or micro USB end of the adapter into your Redmi phone's charging port, you will be able to use the other end and connect it to an OTG drive, an SD card reader, an external storage device, or whatever it is that you have. Once it is properly connected, you will be able to access the files and all of its contents by going over to the File Manager app on your Redmi phone. Inside of the File Manager, you will be able to choose the OTG drive. Usually, it's going to be listed under Storage Devices or USB Storage. So tap on that specific drive to access and manage the files, and you will be able to see them, manage them, transfer them over, copy, delete, and so on. So you can tap on them once. If you have an image or a video, you will be able to watch it. You can copy them over to your phone's internal storage by choosing more options and then copy. You can delete them and so on. This will work for any device that is compatible with the adapter that you acquired. So you just have to plug it into the open USB port, and as soon as that is done, you will be able to use it. The connection will remain and you can transfer it as many times as you wish. Keep in mind that the data transfer speed will depend on the adapter that you are using, the OTG drive, and the type of files being transferred. As long as you are using a reliable adapter, you will be able to get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to Redmi Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.